Welcome to Post Factory. Are you looking to elevate your online presence? You've come to the right place. At Post Factory, we specialize in transforming your social media, logos, and websites to make your brand stand out. Our services include social media management. We create and schedule posts tailored to your brand with add-ons like engaging reels, dynamic stories, and captivating carousel posts on Instagram. Logo design. We craft unique and memorable logos that represent your brand's identity and website design. We design user-friendly, visually appealing websites that reflect your brand and attract your target audience. Let us take your online presence to the next level. If you want to buy our social media management services, it's easy. Just follow these steps. In the header, select Services and then Social Posts. We offer 3 different packages, each varying by the number of posts per month. Click on the Get Started button to enter our client portal. On the first page, choose the package that suits you best. As mentioned, the main difference between packages is the number of posts. Next, you'll have the option to purchase add-ons like Reels, Stories, or Carousel posts. Choose what you need, or simply click Next. On the following page, choose one social media channel where we'll schedule your posts for free. Select and click Next. Here you can add more social media channels for $10 each. This step is optional. Once done, click Next. Finally, fill in your billing information and complete your purchase. Congratulations, you've become our client. After your purchase, you'll be directed to our client portal, where you'll complete an onboarding questionnaire. This questionnaire provides us with all the information we need to create tailored content for you. Within 5 working days, we'll deliver your content. In our client portal, you have a range of features designed to streamline your social media management experience. You can easily communicate with your account manager to ensure your needs are met and manage your subscriptions with just a few clicks. The portal also allows you to purchase add-ons and view your invoices, keeping all your account information in one convenient place. Additionally, you'll have access to our advanced scheduling platform. This tool enables you to view all your upcoming posts, track engagement across your social media channels, and respond to messages and comments seamlessly. Everything you need to manage your social media presence is right at your fingertips. That's it for social media management. Next, let's explore our logo design services. The process of purchasing this service is very similar to social media management. In the header section, choose Services and then select Logo Design. We offer 3 different packages for logo design, each with unique features. Review what each package has to offer and click on Get Started. You will be directed to our client portal. Here, you simply choose the package that suits your needs and click Next. On the following page, you will fill in your billing information to complete your purchase. Once you've completed your purchase, you'll be sent to our client portal, where you'll fill out an onboarding questionnaire. This form will provide us with all the important information we need to create your logo. After we receive your questionnaire, we'll deliver initial logo concepts within 10 working days. After reviewing the concepts, you'll provide us with feedback. Once you confirm the final logo, we will deliver it in all the necessary formats. This concludes our collaboration on your logo design. Additionally, you will have the option to view your invoice and communicate with the design team through our client portal. That's it for logo design. Next, let's delve into our website design services. The process is very similar to our other services. In the header section, choose Services and then select Web Design. As with all our services, we offer 3 different options for web design. Take a look at what each package includes and choose the one that best suits your needs. If you need help selecting the right package, our design team is here to assist you. Just contact us. When you're ready, click the Get Started button. You will be directed to our client portal, where you need to choose one of the 3 packages. After making your selection, click Next. On the following page, you'll fill in your billing information to complete your purchase. Once done, you'll be sent to our client portal, where you can track your invoice and communicate with our designers. Unlike our other services, you will receive a message from our design team in the client portal to schedule an online meeting. During this meeting, you'll discuss all the details related to your project and receive the expected completion date. You'll also agree on the type of communication for the entire website creation process with our design team during this initial meeting. That's it for our website design service. Ready to transform your brand's online presence? Choose Post Factory for comprehensive social media management, stunning logo design, and beautiful website design.